So दोस्तों वेलकम बैक टू गो फिल्मी विद राजीव विजयकर टू कंटिन्यू विद आवर टॉपिक द मोस्ट प्रेवलेंट मिसकंसेप्शंस। हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में हिंदी फिल्मों के बारे में सबसे बड़ी गलतफहमियां हम पिछली बार डिस्कस कर रहे थे। चलिए अब आगे चलते हैं। अब हम आते हैं हिंदी फिल्मों के एक और लैंडमार्क पे, विच वॉज द फर्स्ट डबल रोल, द्वितीय भूमिका जिसे बोला जाता है। And again, there are a whole lot of misconceptions floating around because the stars were big and they were talks about Ashok Kumar or Dilip Kumar or anybody else. See, there are three interesting answers here because they are all of a different kind. Though the chronology is that the first actor played both Ram and Sita, and that's why it was a unique double role in a film called Lanka Dahan. This was made in 1929 and it was a silent film. And the actor was somebody called Anna Salunke. Now, the first artist to play what is known as a classic double role was Patience Cooper, an Anglo-Indian actress who played a double role in a film called Patni Pratap in the 1930s. 1 year after Patni Pratap, she played both mother and daughter. So again, this was a double role. The film was called Kashmiri Sundari or the Kashmiri Beauty. So this was the first double role history in Hindi cinema. We next come to what is very important today, the stereophonic music album. We all know that the film Sholay was India's first film made in stereophonic sound. But the stereophonic album came 4 years earlier. V. Shantaram imported the machine to record songs in stereophonic sound for his 1971 Silver Jubilee hit Jal Bin Machli, Nritya Bin Bijli. The music for this film was scored by Lakshmikant Pyarelal and the lyrics were by Majru Sultanpuri. Lata Mangeshkar and Mukesh sang all the songs in this film and the music also was a hit. So the first stereophonic album was not Sholay, but it was Jal Bin Machli, Nitya Bin Bijli. Before that, just to set the record straight or maybe complete it, Shankar Jaikishan had recorded an album in 1969 in stereophonic sound called Raga Jazz Style. It was a fusion album with many rags played by several eminent musicians who worked with them. Now the next three facts we are going to discuss are very interesting because they are misconceptions and they don't come in the cinematic category in the strictest sense, but they are about people. First, I always believed till a few weeks ago that Raj Kapoor never played a double role. And why me? बहुत सारे लोगों को ये सोच थी कि राज साहब ने कभी डबल रोल प्ले नहीं किया. हालांकि शम्मी कपूर डिड, दिलीप कुमार डिड, देव आनंद डिड, एवरीबडी डिड. So Raj Kapoor did play a double role. The film was in 1948 and it was called Papi. It was not a hit, but many people say that it ranks among his best performances. Sadly, it is forgotten today. ये फिल्म कहानी थी उन नकली साधुओं की जो लोगों को बेवकूफ़ बनाते हैं. And Raj Kapoor played both the hero and one of these sadhus. So that was Raj Kapoor playing a double role इन पापी. सो चलते हैं अगले गलतफहमी पे, और ये गलतफहमी बहुत बहुत कॉमन है. गुलजार साहब का पहला गाना मोरा गोरा अंग ले फ्रॉम बंदिनी. एक्चुअली गुलजार साहब स्टार्टेड आउट एज ए लिरिसिस्ट विथ 3 songs इन अ राज कपूर फिल्म कॉल्ड श्रीमान सत्यवादी, जो 1960 में बंदिनी के 3 साल पहले रिलीज हुई. रुत अलबेली मस्त समा उन 3 गानों में से एक गाना था जो किसी हद तक पॉपुलर भी हुआ था उस वक्त, और बाकी के दोनों गाने भी ठीक ठाक चले थे. उसके बाद में गुलजार साहब ने एक बहुत ही मशहूर गाना लिखा. फिल्म थी काबुली वाला, गंगा आए कहाँ से, और ये गाना 1961 में रिलीज हुआ. सो बंदिनी के पहले गुलजार साहब ने कम से कम 2 फिल्मों में गाने लिखे थे. एंड सो फ्रेंड्स, वी कम टू द लास्ट मिसकंसेप्शन वी आर डीलिंग विद, एंड दैट इज द impression that Amitabh Bachchan played his first double role in Adalat. Yes, after Adalat he played a lot of double roles. There was Dawn, there was Kasme Wade, there was Satya Pe Satta, there was Aakhri Rasta, there was Desh Premi, there were many other double roles. But his first double role was in a film called Bandhe Haath in 1972, where his leading lady was none other than the top star of that time, Mumtaz. So people don't even know that Amitabh Bachchan has done a film with Mumtaz because Bande Haath was a total flop. He had another leading lady of sorts in the film, that was Kumud Chugani, because he played two characters, a criminal who was on the run and a writer. In the course of the film, the criminal takes the identity of the writer. But it was his first double role, and therefore we have to mention that Adalat or any other movie which people know about much later when Amitabh Bachchan became the Amitabh Bachchan, because Bande Haath came before Zanjeer. A few months before Zanjeer maybe, but definitely before Zanjeer, and therefore that recognition did not come to him. That's all for today, friends, on Go Filmy. If you like this video, please share, please subscribe. Till we meet the next time, this is Rajiv Vijayakar signing off. Bye bye. Take care.